Hello everyone, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Before I do that though, just a reminder, the promo for 25% off expires tonight, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. So there's still time to get 25% off, either the first month only or the entire year of a Trade Ideas subscription. You will see a link to all that in the email you're getting. So let's take a look at AERC and what makes it great. Well, news. It also is a very, very low float, 4.25 million in the float. The stock right now, as we speak, is up 66% and could go higher. I mean, there's really not that much stopping it. When you look at a weekly chart or a daily chart, 365 was an area that it may have stalled. But the big deal is the news. I mean, it's all about news, and so this jumped 13%. Now that's 13%. That was back here. FDA clearance for air purification technology, and of course, you know, you got to put COVID in the press release. So there it goes. COVID still is in play in terms of, you know, press releases, etc. But what made it great? I mean, it's just the news. I mean, it's that simple. Well, two reasons. The news and, of course, the fact that it's a very low float, 4.25 million in the float. That is the supply of stock that's available for trading. I consider anything under 20 million very low, so 4.25, that's your supply of stock. And then when you have high demand, so far 15 million shares are traded. So by the end of the day, I'm sure this is going to trade, I don't know, 4, 5, 6, 7 times the float. And it's all a high demand, low flow, low supply, and that's why these sort of moves can happen. My 10-day daily breakdown also had a sensational day. I mean, GIVO, BZVD, the PRAX, PRAX. I think even the Owlet did okay, but certainly the GIVO at the beginning, and that got down to $3 from $3.47. But so I paid a lot of attention to that also. Even though the market is up, but the market is starting to fade now. All right, everybody. Again, take advantage of the 25%. It's I don't know when the next time we're going to have a 25% off, so take advantage of it if you can. Again, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time is when that promo code should disappear. So have a great evening, everybody, and I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.